Who taught in my period? Chemistry, ma'am. Okay, fine. Who said? Who? Tomorrow I'm going to school. Don't problem. No problem. I'll take it. Wait, I'll check that. Don't wait. I'll take care of those things. Don't wait. I'll discuss. The class has started. Come on, join the session, please. Okay, we are starting the session. Hi, Hashini. Okay, Kavya. Good evening, beta. We'll start the session. Now look here. Triangle formed by the point this has area. So first we need to understand what type of triangle it is, and then we will be finding its area. Come on, start solving the question fast. Start doing it. Start doing it. Don't waste your time. Start solving because these are solvable questions. We need to solve it. So first, what are the three sides are given? Sorry, three vertices are given as, what are the three vertices? 1, comma 2. Next is 3, comma 5 and 5, comma 7. So these are the three vertices. Okay, with the base. Happy birthday, ma'am. I don't have birthday today. Who said? Good evening, sir. But my birthday is not today. Who told you these things that my birthday is there? When was my birthday? Nice question. I too don't know. Now look here. Shall we focus in reading? Now look at x1, y1, and that is x2 and y2. So first work is we will find three vertices are there, A, B, and C. So first we'll find distance of AB. So when we are finding distance of AB, it will become, first we will subtract x2 minus x1. So it will become 3 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. So it is exactly AB. First we will find the edge value AB. 3 minus 1 will become 2 square plus 5 minus 2 will become 3, sorry, it will become 3 square. So here it is coming as 3 square. So it is coming as 4 plus 9. It is coming as 13 units. 13 units. So today is not my birthday. Mhm. Wrong information. Now look here. So AB, BC. So if somebody will be asking you about BC, hi Sharmila, can you inform all the students to join the session as fast as possible because I've started the class, please. Now listen. Next one, note down please. BC we have to find. We need to see some similarities there. Okay. Good evening, Sufi. Good morning. Sorry. Good evening. Come on, we'll go for it. AB, BC, we will find BC. BC is equal to root under 5 minus 3 whole square, 5 minus 3 whole square, plus 7 minus 2 whole square. 7 minus 5 whole square. So it will become 5 minus 3 will become 2 square plus 2 square. So how much it will become? 4 plus 4. It will come root under 8. Then, so we got two sides, exactly what two sides are. What are the two sides? BC is equal to 4 coming BC. 2 square, 2 square, 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 4 will become 8, 8 is 2 root 2. So if you're finding it, 8 is coming as 2 root 2. So now we will go for the last one. Last one is exactly the one which is going to determine, because if all the three sides will be different and it is not going to meet Pythagoras theorem, then you are in a good side. You have to use scale and triangle concept and you have to use Heron's formula. That's the most pitiable part. That time you will be in trouble because you have to use what beta? Heron's formula, and here everything is coming in root. I don't know any Shobit. No. Now look here. Shobit. No. Now look here. We will be talking about AC. Now when we are solving AC, so AC part will be coming as what beta? What three sides are there? First we have used, then AC will be what? 5 minus 1, 4 square. And then here 7 minus 2, 5 square. Now it is coming as 16 plus 25. So 16 plus 25 is coming as how much beta? 41. Now is there any comparison, any relation here? Nice. Congratulations. क्या देना मेरी तरफ से? Now come on, go for it. 4 4 16 5 5 25. Come on, go for this question. Please. I don't know. I seriously don't know anyone like that. Solve this question, please. On YouTube. I don't. Come on, go for it, beta. 3 minus 1 is coming as 2, 2 square, and here 3 square, it is coming as 4. So definitely it is exactly not a, what it is a scalar triangle. So scalar triangle, all the three sides are different. All the three sides are different. Absolutely. Okay. We'll go for the next question. I think some values are wrong because here typed question 1, 2, 3, 5, 5 and 7. If we will be doing 3 and 5, we will check 3 and 5, 5 and 7. Here it is coming as 7 minus 5 is coming as 2, 5 minus 3 is coming as 2, to 2 square is coming as 4. If it is going to do Pythagoras theorem, then it will be coming as what? It is not going to satisfy the situation. Okay. We'll go for the next one, because it is going to be scalar. I told you, no? So now we will go for the next one. Come on, solve this question. Here, what is the value of x and what is the value of y? Solve this question. Distance formula. Good evening, Omar. Good evening. Now look here. When you are solving any question, please pay attention here. Now understand this one. X comma y is equal to 3 comma 4 is there. So ordered pair left side will be equal to right side. So here what will be there? X will be equal to 3. So our x value is 3. What is the value of y? 4. Now we are going to square it. X square plus y square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. What is the value? 16 plus 9. It is coming as 25. 16 plus 9, 25. What is the option? Option is A. Absolutely correct. Option is A. Hello, Vinay. Now look here. Option is A. So our answer is A. Online children who are present right now, many are absent today. Darshan and all, where are they? Online only, but he did not send me hi also one time. Now look here. We'll go for the next one, please. Shall we start the next one? Now we are going to Vishwa. Where are you? Vishwa is having, I think, exam. Now the coordinate of centroid of a triangle with vertices this. I told you last class what is the meaning of YouTube Xerox. Hi. A answer. Okay. Now let's see. Shamila, can you say me the answer for this question, please? Now come on, check this one out. Coordinate of centroid of a triangle with vertices. A is equal to what and all vertices are given? So look here, A is equal to 0, 0, B is 6, 0, and C is 0, 6. So what we will do is, we will take this one as x1 and y1, and this as x2 and y2, and this as x3 and y3. But I will take this as x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3 and y3. But the most important point is what is centroid of a triangle. Understood? So here we need to understand, here we need to understand one thing. When we are talking about the centroid, three medians will be there. The three medians of equilateral triangle, they will be meeting at one point. So this point is considered. So vertices are taken as x1 y1 and x2 y2 and x3 y3. Understood? So based on this concept, what we will do, this is the center. The center can be taken as G. Understood? So if they will be asking you coordinate of a centroid of a triangle, then directly, thank you so much. So directly G will be what beta? X1 plus X2 plus X3 by 3. And here Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 by 3. Understood? So center means the centroid will be G, and G value will be coming as X1 plus X2 plus X3 divided by 3, and there Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 divided by 3. Understood? So that is the centroid point. So now let's find the value. So what is exactly going to come? Siddharth? No, I'm not ignoring you. Actually, I don't understand anything, ma'am. Siddharth, here I'm doing only one thing. 3 vertices are given. Each vertices will have x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3, Siddharth. And what I'm doing here is I'm finding the centroid, the center part. What is the center part here? The center part means actually for median drawing, we need the triangle to be an equilateral triangle. Okay, I'll write in the right side of the board. Is it helpful for you? Now look here. So just I'm writing in this side. Now I hope it will be helpful for you. I'm writing the formula of distance. Now just check this one out. The formula for distance formula between 2 points will be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. Okay. This is the distance formula. Now look here, beta. So now we are going to understand here centroid part. So G we have to find x1 is what, beta? 0, 6 and 0. So 0 plus 6 plus 0 divided by 3. Got it? And this point G point we have to find. Next one is yes. Now look here, y1 is what? 0, 0 and 6. So here it will become 0 plus 6 divided by 3. So now what we are going to get centroid value as 6 by 3 comma 6 by 3. So what is the value coming as? 2 comma 2. I hope you got the answer. Very good. Absolutely. I think who has given the answer? Kavya has given the answer. पढ़ रही हो या पढ़ा रही हो? Okay, reflection. Yeah, I'm going to adjust that camera, beta. Some problems are there for camera adjustment. In future time, it is going to be adjusted, huh? Some questions are not there. I'm going to write the previous year's questions also. Right now, just teaching the chapter part. I'm doing PhD. I'm reading also. I'm teaching also. Now, come on, beta. Yes, this is exactly called as centroid, the center of the intersection of 3 medians. So what is median? Median will be exactly, there are different type of line. Okay, so one is called as line. When you are drawing in a triangle, if any line bisector you are drawing. So this is just understand the concept. So here I'm drawing a triangle. This is called as what? This bisector. If I'm drawing this line, it will bisect this line into 2 equal half. Then it is exactly the bisector. Understood? So now, but when we talk about the median, median divides the region into 2 equal halves. Okay, means it will be bisecting angle also. So when we are talking about median drawing, median cannot be drawn in all the type of triangles. Equilateral triangles where each angle will be subtending 60 degree and all sides are equal. That time we can draw how many medians? That time we can draw 3 medians. Understood? So the 3 medians which will be drawing. Yes, answer is A only, correct only. Now here, what is exactly there is the 3 sides are equal. Each angle is subtending what degree, beta? 60 degree. Now we are drawing one median. It is perpendicular, perpendicular and perpendicular. Once we are drawing this median, the intersecting point of all the 3 medians will be considered as centroid. The intersecting point of all the three will be considered as median. Omar, ma'am, thoda camera angle niche. Okay, I'll move the question itself down, Omar. That will be a little better for you. Huh? So look here. After this question, I will move the questions little down and make it little bit smaller. Okay. Now, I hope you might have understood this one. So when you will be solving these questions, now please pay attention here. This is centroid. The centroid is the center part. The centroid is the center. Center means what? I can draw a triangle. I can draw a circle outside it. Okay. I can draw a circle outside it. Okay. So that will become the center. So now I hope this question might have been understood by you. I'm writing the question. I'm making the question little smaller. I'll try to make. PDF is not getting down. Now come on, solve this question, please. The coordinate of the point equidistance from this is, the coordinate of the point equidistance from this. So one coordinate point, let us consider the coordinate of the point as P, x comma y. Let us consider the coordinate of the point as P, x comma y. So now come on. Is it visible now? Now the coordinate of the point will be considered as P, x comma y. So now this point P is equidistant from both the two points. So let us consider which and all are the points. First point is 1 comma 0. Another point is minus 1 comma 0. It will be considered as Q and this will be considered, we are going to take it as Q and R. Okay. So Lakshmi, you have given the answer D. Let's solve it out, beta. After that we will. So the coordinate of the point which is equidistant from this and this. So are we going to draw like this and solve the question? Can you tell me, are we going to draw like this? We will not be able to get the point. Equidistance means equal distance. Equidistance means equal distance. If we will solve like this, we won't be on. Seriously, huh? I am lucky or unlucky, I don't know, but my students are very lucky. Now look at it. Equidistance. So here when we will be writing this one, x square, y square, 100% you check this one out. Come on, solve this. Try this. Equidistance, solve it. Question solve. Option is do you need to solve this question, huh? Fine. 23rd answer, Jasmita, ma'am. Okay. Answer give Lokesh. Come on. Give the answer, please. What is the answer for this question? Can I solve this question? We'll use distance formula. We know that it is equidistance. PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. Now we are going to squaring both sides. We are going to square it. That means now distance formula can be used. PQ means x minus 1 whole square plus this part is y minus 0 whole square. Done, beta. Now here next one is an outside square is there. Okay. Now here PR is there. So root under x minus of minus 1 will become x plus 1 whole square and plus y minus 0 whole square. Outside square is there. So square and root will get cancelled. Absolutely. Huh, Darshan? Now you are coming. Huh? So now look here. Square and root gone. X minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to, here it is coming, x plus 1 whole square and plus here y square is coming. So here y square, that means y square part will become 0. So here this will exactly go. Now what you are having left with is x minus 1 whole square is equal to x plus 1 whole square. So what we will do, this is square and square, if we'll take square root also will go. So what answer will come? X minus 1 is equal to x plus 1. But here x and x will get cancelled. X and x will get cancelled. So we understood one thing, that the point is not present like this. Understood? The point is exactly present on a line. Where is the point present? On a line, all the 3 points are present. Understood? What happened? All the 3 points exactly, the points are not present here. The points are present on a line. Mohammed, look here, beta. So here, when you are drawing it, so now we are going to do one work. This is 1 comma 0 and this is minus 1 comma 0, and this P point is equidistance between Q and R. Understood? Now that means what? If it is equidistance, means its ratio becomes same. Understood? Its ratio, because it is not like that, because X and Y are both getting cancelled. So what we are going to do, we are presenting it on a line. So here, if X and Y will be, then I told you, if it is equidistance, means P will become the midpoint. And what is the midpoint formula? Sai, what is the midpoint formula, beta? X1, Y1, and here it is coming as X2 and Y2. So X will be equal to X1 plus X2 divided by 2. So what is the value coming? 1 plus, here 1 and minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to, the answer is coming as 0. Now we will find for Y. Y is equal to Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. What is Y, beta? 0 plus 0 divided by 2. It is coming as 0. So this is exactly. So origin is equidistant from both the answer. Okay. Quadrilateral in a plane with QR is equal to 1 angle PQR. Nice question. We will keep on sending that like that. How I am going to check, huh? Kuch bhi. Now distance between X and Y and X comma 0 and 0 comma Y, then X square plus Y square is 10. They have given the distance X comma Y, X comma 0 and 0 comma Y is equal to 10. So distance between these 2 points, we are going to take the distance as, I will explain. Lokesh, can you give me some time, beta? I need to finish one part. X comma 0. I am seeing it is exactly a quadrilateral you are talking about. Parallelogram. Now 0 comma y. Now when you are solving this question, first you have to find distance. So AB will be equal to root under the distance. AB is given already 10 units. So it will become x minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus y whole square. So here AB is 10 given. So 10 is equal to root under x square plus y square. So if you take square on both sides, it will become x square plus y square. So it is coming as x square plus y square is equal to 100. It is coming as how much, beta? X square plus y square is equal to 100. So the correct answer is coming 10 or 100. It is coming. Come on, check everyone. Answer is 10 or 100. Answer is 100. Okay. Huh. That's the distance formula. That's the distance formula. It will be recorded in the video. So the video will be present with you for certain time. Okay. After that it will go. Today video will be there with you. You can note down. Now right, find the length of the diagonal of a square with vertices this one. So you have to draw first. First you need to draw. Exactly. Start solving this question. Lokesh, I'll solve. Everyone try this question, please. Can I ask you a question, Lokesh? Any quadrilateral figure, sum of all the 4 angles is equal to 360 degree. Check this one out. Now, so first check the question first. Now look at, find the length of diagonal of a square with vertices this. So first we need to draw the square. Okay. Now we are going to draw the square. Vertices point is what, beta? Vertices point is 0 comma 0. After that on x-axis y value will be 0. So we will take the point 4 comma 0. Correct? After that it is 4 comma 4. So here it will become 4 comma 4, and here it is coming as On x-axis, it is exactly on y-axis, it is 0, 4. So all the 4 vertices will be written like this because I have just used, hello Abhinav. Now look here. So we have used this origin here. That means same line. I have just drawn in the axis side only. Okay. On x-axis, y value will be 0. So here if this is 0, 0, it will become 4, 0. And here this is y-axis. So if I am drawing it, it will become which axis beta? Y-axis. And this part will become which one? X-axis. Come on. So one part is y-axis, another part will be x-axis. Now here, Umar, this is exactly about classes. So if we will study only about that, it will be very, very helpful for everybody. Huh? Now look here. So first, all the sides when we are talking about, so here it will be, we will write it as A, B, C, and D. Okay, A, B, C, and D. Okay, now we are going to talk about and solve it. So AB distance, are we going to bother about AB distance, or directly can we talk about diagonal? So AC is our diagonal. What they are asking, that find the length of the diagonal of a square. So there are two ways of finding the diagonal. One, to directly you can trace out the distance. That's the simplest one. Or you can do another work. What is the another work you can do is, we know that this is exactly side S and this is side S and this is a diagonal. Understood? So diagonal is equal to side square plus side square. So it will become 2 into side square. So it will become side root 2. It is coming as side root 2. It is coming as side root 2. So if you are finding the side also, it will become easy for us. Correct now? So either directly you can find, or you can find that you can use with the side. Both the content will be correct only. So option, first one is option A, you are telling 4 root 2. Because with the one side also, if we will find for the square, what will become? AB is equal to root under 4 minus 0. So 4 square plus 0 square. So it is coming root under 4 square. It is coming as 4. So side root 2 is 4 root 2. This is when you are using side. This is when you are using side. But when you are not using side, at that time how you are going to solve. So when you are not using side, you are directly using distance formula. For diagonal AC will be equal to 4 minus 0 square plus 4 minus 0 square. Understood? So here it will become beta 16 plus 16. So it will come root under 32. So root under 32 is again 4 root 2 units. I hope you might have understood here. So finding diagonal is an easy job. Finding diagonal is an easy job. Understood? So shall we go for the next question, please? Is it for 10th class? Can you tell me? First location. Shall we go for the next one? A point X lies on y-axis if its x coordinate is 0, if its y coordinate is 0, both coordinates are equal, none of this. What is the correct answer? Come on children, start answering the question. And we are in class 10th right now. Okay. A point lies on the y-axis if x value will be 0. So answer is option A. Come on children, Maha, start writing the answer, start typing the answers as fast as possible. So his answer is exactly coming as A. Okay. Now we will go for the next question. This part already we have finished now. The coordinate of a point this lies on x comma 0 lies on which axis? It is lying on, it is lying on which one? A point x comma 0. X comma 0 will be in which axis? X axis, because y will be 0 there. X axis, because y will be 0 there. Okay. So 100% correct. Answer will be exactly x axis, because y will be coming as 0. Okay. So which one is for the fourth quadrant, beta? Fourth quadrant is, come on, say. Very good. In fourth quadrant, x will be positive and y will be negative. Understood? We will go for the next one. Come on, children, give the answer as fast as possible. Now look here. The question is, yesterday last class I have discussed about ratio. In the ratio section, again I am going to explain about it. Okay. So now we are going to do this question. Now listen. Here, a point 3 comma y divides the line joining this and this in the ratio 1:1. So let us consider first. So last class we discussed two things. I'm going to explain that point. Come on, shall we start that work? So here, the first point what we have discussed is we have understood section formula. In that we told, I have explained you that a line segment is there. The line segment is x1 and y1 having two endpoints. Point as x1, y1, and here it is x2 and y2. And any point we are going to take on the line as P, and here we are going to consider as the point coordinate is exactly considered as x and y. Yes, absolutely correct. At that point, we have exactly discussed that the ratio do not remains the same. So we have given it as m and n. At that case, what is the formula? X will be equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. This one is for absolutely correct. Second one is y is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Understood? So this is how to find x and y. Okay? Yes, but in class 10th only internal division is there. That you must remember. That you must remember here. Nothing is written means it is internal. 10th syllabus itself is internal division. When you will be talking about 12th, then only we are understanding by vector content only. There only we are discussing about internal and external, and then only minus is mentioned between in the formula. Huh? So now we are going to solve this question. So here, what is the ratio? Can we write here? So what is the points here? But here one thing is that the ratio is 1:1. So can we draw this beta a point 3 comma y? So what is our point P? Here it is 3 comma y. And it is dividing the line A. What it is there beta? 2 comma 4. And here this point is 4 comma 6. And what is the ratio here? M is taken as 1 and here N is taken as 1 because the ratio given in the question is 1:1. I hope till here you might have understood beta. After this, we just have to use the formula. Jotam, come on, start the question. We have to find the value of y. So we no need to take x value, na? We have to directly use for y because we need to find y. So for finding y, Nitya, what we have to do? 1 will be multiplied to 6. It will become 1 into 6. And 1 will be multiplied with 4. So it is coming as 1 into 4, but it is coming as 1 plus 1. So y is coming as 6 plus 4 by 2. So y is coming as 10 by 2. So y is coming as 5. So what is the point? You have any Kannada means beta? Now look here. Exactly the answer is coming as y value is coming as 5. So what is our point beta? P point is considered as 3 comma. P point is coming out as 3 comma 5. Here P point is coming out as 3 comma 5. Did you understood here? So P point is coming as what beta? P point is coming as 3 comma 5. I hope you might have understood here. Shall we go for the next question, please? Okay. Come on, go for this question, beta. Point dividing line segment joining A and B in the ratio 1:2. Everyone solve it. Come on, do it as fast as possible. And give me the point, please. Go for it. Yes, same type question, beta. You can solve it. Try this question out. Maha has given the answer. It is A. That was very quick, Maha. Let's see what other children has to say. Kavya has given answer A. Come on, we'll go for it. Now we'll go for it. Point dividing the line segment joining A, B in the ratio. So first, yes, we are going to solve this question. Let's check this one out. Now look here. Now look here. First, A point is what beta? 1 comma 2. What is B point? 7 comma 8. After that, what point we are going to? We have to find P point. Now let us consider P point as x comma y. The ratio coming is 1 is to 2. Can we take MS? 1 and NS 2. So now x value how to find, Jotam? 1 will be multiplied to 7. 1 into 7 plus 2 into 1, that is 2 will be multiplied with 1, then 1 plus 2. So what is the value of x coming as? 7 plus 2, 9 by 3. So here it is coming as 9 by 3, x is coming as 3. Got it? M is coming as 3. Now let's go for the next one. Y will be exactly 1 into 8 plus 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 1. So it is coming as 8 plus 4 by 3. It is coming as how much beta? 12 by 3. That is coming as 4. So our P point is 3 comma 4. Absolutely correct, children. Those who have given the answer, absolutely correct. Yes. JS Studio, can I know your name, please? Answer is absolutely correct, huh? Maybe, but it may be risk. It may be risk. So if 2 times, yes. If any other option 3 comma 4 is other option, x value is not 3 given, then you can take it. But if like that will be there, then you have to solve. Means like here only a 3 comma 4 is there now. So directly you can take because any other is not having 3, correct? Na? But if here one more 3 comma 3 is given, then you have to find the value. There is no other options out. Okay. Now we'll go for the next question, please. Shall we start? Find x if point this lies on the line joining. It is lying on the line. It is lying on the line joining. Come on, solve it. Find x if point x comma 3 lies on the line joining 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 3. It's seriously a good question. Come on, solve it. Last question was internal section formula based question. In that, you can do one thing, beta. You can just go a little back and check the question. And how I have solved, you can increase the speed also and go for it because already we have finished. Last question was just based on to find a point. Actually, we were discussing about section formula. In section formula, what we have done is we discussed about 2 points, 2 line segments, is the point between. Look here, I'm just discussing till you people are solving. I'm discussing with Bhavana. So Bhavna, actually what was the internal section formula question was there? In that what we have learned is this option D 0. Let's check this one out. So now without solving also 4 minus 2 will become, check this one out. Now look here, Bhavna, we were discussing that 2 points are there, x1, y1 and x2, y2, and any point is dividing this into ratio m is to n. Okay, and we need to find the value pxy. That was the previous question, beta. That was the previous question. And we had to find x comma y. Question was there in that. So now we are going to go this question. In this question, they're telling x is a point. Find x if x comma 3 lies on a line. X comma 3 is lying on a line. Okay. So this is a line. Point is 2 comma 3. If this is a line, point is 2 comma 3. Come on, check this one out, children. And B point is coming as 4 comma 3. And here is x comma 3. This is P point. Solve. Answer is C. Let's see how many of you have given the answer. Maha has given answer C. Kavya has given answer C. Options are exactly 0. We need to think about 0 one time. We need to think about 0. We'll check this one out. One time, let's check this one out. So here x is there, x is equal to, we don't know the ratio given here. Find x if possible, this lies. So can we check this question? Very simple part is, this total distance is coming, see, everything is 3. If I'm going to draw like this, because the concept must be understood here. This is 3, this is 3, and this is 3. Understood? So it is exactly y value is coming as all 3. So it is just the game of x. Understood? So what can I write here is, can I write x equal to 4 plus 2 by 2, 6 by 2? It is coming as 3 only. Check the distance here. Check the distance here. Everything is y value is 3. Just take 1, 2, 3. I'm drawing it and explaining you. So that yes, the answer is exactly 3. Now, how I'm going to solve? Yes, Peter. Absolutely. Kangana. Yes, answer is 3, beta. How answer is 3? Let's check this one out. This is the line, beta, y value. So here, if I'm going to take, this point will come, here x is 2, so this point will come 2 comma 3. Done? Next point we don't know. We are going to exactly write as x comma 3. But next point is here 3, and this point is exactly coming as 4. So here it is coming as 4 comma 3. Now you're understanding. It y value remains the same. Now here any point is given, and that point is coming as x comma 3. Got it? Now is it clear to you after drawing? Children, after drawing only, is it clear to you? Answer is absolutely correct. Answer is coming as 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is coming as 6 by 2. Answer is coming as 3. I hope everybody understood. See, the correct answer, the perfect answer is 3 only. Okay. We'll go for the next question, please. Come on, go for it. A point lies on the line segment if its coordinates satisfy distance from both ends add up to the total length. Coordinates match with midpoint, lies outside the line, and area is equal to 0. This is seriously a very good question. Y part is exactly because so only I drew it. Because y value remains 3 only, na? Okay, I'm moving so that you can read the question out. Let's see offline children. Anyone answer the question, please? A point lies on the line segment if its coordinates satisfy distance from both ends add up to the total length. Distance from both ends add up to the total length. Distance from both ends will add up to the total length. Next, coordinates match with midpoint. Coordinates match with midpoint. A point lies on the line segment if its coordinate satisfies or lies outside the line, area equal to 0. See, we know one very important thing. Coordinates match with the midpoint. I will be explaining you a very important point here. Please pay attention here. If a point, a line is made with, infinite number of points. Understood? A line is made with infinite number of points. So whatever point is present on a line, it will satisfy the equation of line, and it will make the equation of line equal to 0. Understood? So that means what? If a point is present on a line, it will make the equation satisfying to 0. It will make the equation satisfying to 0. That's the most important point. Can we check? Area part, I don't know, but we need to discuss here one thing. Let's check this one out, beta. So here, first I'm just writing this part, x plus y equal to 5 is there. So this is a line. Got it? Now here, a point is present in the line. The value of point is -2 and 1. Understood? So this point is present on this line, x plus y is equal to 5. What is the equation? X plus y is equal to 5, and this point is present. So let us consider this point is exactly this. Is it present? Is this point present on this line? The answer is no, because LHS is not equal to RHS. For equation of a line, so here it is not present. Okay. But if I am checking this point 2, 3, is it present on this line? Yes. Because if I am putting x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, I am adding it up. It is actually satisfying the condition, and it is coming 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So LHS also 5 and RHS is also coming as 5. LHS also coming 5 and RHS is also coming as 5. So definitely 2, 3 is present. Understood? And it is satisfying the equation. It is satisfying the equation. Means once I am substituting the points. Sai, are you understanding? What I am doing is I am explaining a very important part, that if any point is present on a line, it will satisfy the equation of a line. What did I say? If any point is present on a line, will it satisfy the equation of a line? Yes, it will satisfy the equation of a line. What is the meaning of satisfying the equation of a line? Satisfying the equation of a line means LHS will be equal to RHS. Understood? So here 2, 3, we tried to check that. Is 2, 3 present on line x plus y is equal to 5? The answer is yes. The answer is what, beta? Yes. But beta, if -1 plus 1 we are putting, is -1 plus 1 is present on line? No, because LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, Pushpa has given answer C. Let's check this one out, Pushpa. So now coordinates match with midpoint or lies outside the line. So beta, a point lies on a line segment. A point lies on a line segment means a point will be present on a line segment. What is the meaning of the line, beta? A point lies on the line segment if its coordinate satisfies. Means its coordinate must satisfy something. Correct, na? If a point is, what is the condition? It will satisfy the conditions. So what are all conditions? Distance from both ends add up to the total length. Distance from both ends should add up to the total length. None of you thought about, beta, area. How can we discuss about area of a line? The first thing we are going to cancel is this one. Understood? Now second one, lies outside the line. How can we think about outside the line when we are totally talking about it is on a line? Coordinate match with the midpoint. There is no concept given about midpoint. Understood? There is no concept given about midpoint. Now I think you got the answer. The correct answer is distance from both endpoints add up to the total length. Now just understand this concept, beta. That is the case of collinearity. What it is? Case of collinearity. How? Now let's check this one out. Here a point A is there. A point C is there. Now we are thinking B is any point. B is any point in the line segment, between the line segment AC. B is any point between the line segment AC. So now beta, if I will add this and this, will it give the total length? Correct now. So if this distance is coming as 3 and this distance is coming as 7, if it is coming as 10, that means B is a point between the line segment A and C. Now children, can you got the answer? A perfect answer you got or not? Tell me. You were thinking here and there. Now, is the concept crystal clear? The area will never be coming, correct? Will area be coming? No. We already told that point is inside on the line, then how it is going outside? Not possible. Midpoint concept, how midpoint concept? Nothing given about it. Now, this is exactly distance from both ends add up to total length. So, if this point and this point I'm going to add, it is going to give the total length. Come on, give me a thumbs up if you have understood the concept. Now, next time if anybody will be giving you this concept questions, you will be thinking very precisely and then you will be giving a wholesome answer. Yes, Kavya understood. Super beta. So, all of you, those who have understood the concept, come on, give me a thumbs up that yes, auntie, I understood. Correct na? Was this question easy? No. This question was really tough. Correct na? Because concept, understanding was little trouble here. Because all of you were thinking about, but beta, we understood one thing, na Sai? A point present on a line will satisfy the equation of a line. And beta, if that point is present on a line, this distance plus this distance will give you total distance. Now, Sai, understood clear cut na? So, if like these questions are coming, Kritika, 3 children have understood. Super beta. What about others, rest of the children? Did you understood? Seriously, this is a very important question and very good question. I hope you might have understood. You can go with it one more time. So now look here, beta. Coordinates of the centroid of triangle with vertices this and this. Right now only we solved like this question, na beta. In that question, what was given to you? X1. Now we are going to do it again. Shall we do it? Now you are expert in this. Can you solve this question? This will become what beta? X1 and Y1. This will become X2 and Y2. And this will become X3 and Y3. The centroid formula. Centroid is made with how many medians? 3 medians. Very good, Anuj. Now look here, beta, centroid is made with how many medians? 3 medians. So when we are going to talk about 3 median meeting at one point, it will be considered as a centroid, and this point will be, here vertices will be taken as x1, y1, and here x2, y2, and here it is considered as x3 and y3. So G will be exactly equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Next one is y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So shall we go for the question, please? So here G part will be again same formula application. 2 plus 4 plus 6. We are going to do that. 2 plus 4 plus 6 divided by 3. Next one is 3 plus 5 plus 1. Come on. Can you tell me the answer, please? 12 by 3 and 9 by 3. Which one is the correct option, beta? A is 4, 3 and 3, 4. Which one is the correct answer? It is coming as 4, 3. Correct? Hi Anuj. Now we will go for the next question. Are you ready for the next question, beta? Answer you understood, na? X1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Okay? Go for this question, beta. Go for this question. If area of triangle is equal to 0, then points are? See, a triangle is made with 3 sides. Huh? So if its area is 0, means the 3 vertices are not present in triangle. It is not making, it is collinear. The correct answer, Maha has given answer first. After that, Kavya has given answer. So here, did you understood this one, beta? Collinear means what, beta? Lying on a line. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Collinear means what, beta? Lying on a line. Collinear means lying on a line. Absolutely correct, Sophie. Darshan, where are you? Now we will go for the next question, beta. Point 1, comma 2, 3, comma 6, and 5, comma 10 are collinear, forming a triangle, vertices of a rectangle and midpoint. So definitely midpoints, it is not the correct answer. First, without solving, we have to check now. It may be, how can we come to know about it? It is forming a triangle. Come on, say. I gave you area of triangle formula, na? Huh? So area of triangle will be there means if the area of triangle is 0, if the area of the triangle is 0 means the lines are collinear. But if it is not 0, then only it is a triangle. But 100% it is not going to be a rectangle because how many vertices are given? 3 vertices are given. 3 vertices cannot make a rectangle. Now we are going to talk about midpoints. How these vertices can be midpoints. So this is also not possible. Now our total concept lies between 2, 1, collinear and forming a triangle. Collinear and forming a triangle. So let's check this one out. I gave you one formula, na? Collinear, that is area of triangle formula. What is our area of triangle formula, beta? This one will become x1 and y1. This is x2 and y2. And this is x3 and y3. Done till here, x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3 and y3. So area of triangle will become what? Half x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. Done. So now here you are going to write half, yes ma'am, x1 is exactly what beta? 1, y2 minus y3, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, then plus x2. What is our x2? 3. What is our x2? 3. Now y3 minus y1, 10 minus 2. And here last one is x3, y1 minus y2, 2 minus 6. Now we need to check it is coming 0 or not. So it is coming 6 minus 4 is 2, and here 3 into 8, and here 5 into minus 4. Let's check this one out. Half, if it is coming 2 plus 3, 3 8s are, and here minus, how much it is coming? 26 minus 26, it is coming 3 square units. Is it 0? Area of the triangle is 0 or non-zero? Area of the triangle is not coming as 0. So these are exactly what? Forming a triangle. They are not collinear. Yes, they are forming a triangle. So we are going to end the session here only. We have solved some very good questions. Bye everyone. Good night. Wait.